Okay, so I just purchased this kit here, and this stock boss here will not fit in there. It's too tight. So I'll show you what to do about it, because what happened is when they put this together in the factory and they put this bronze ring in there, I'm guessing they didn't heat this up to expand it, and they just pressed that in and it deformed it a little bit. So you can see I've already tried putting that in, and it's working its way in. So I'm just gonna try to work it in there. Here's the original one. See, that's supposed to fit in there and spin freely. It does have a tiny bit of play. You can barely see it. And this one here, I already kind of been forcing it, but it's very tight. It won't even go all the way through, see? You can see if you look inside, you can see how it's like shinier. I think I can get this to where it's supposed to be. We're gonna try it. If not, we're gonna call the store and get another one sent, but I don't wanna wait. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold this, and you can see I already got it about halfway in. It's very tight, but it seems to be forming the right shape. Pretty ridiculous that I gotta do this, but it is what it is. I guess maybe it's defective, or maybe it's just a cheap brand. I really don't know. It seems like everything else seems pretty good. See how far I got this? See where it's shiny? It's like a bronze, so it seems to be slowly getting there. Okay, so my goal is to get it all the way through, and once I do that, I'm gonna take some 2000 grit sandpaper and just try to open that up a little bit, just a tiny bit, like evenly, like this. Underwater, like wet sand it. So I'm gonna keep doing this. If I can't get it moving as smooth as this, I can't use it. Okay, so I've tried doing it with this, and it just doesn't take enough off. I still can't even get this through. So, just because I want to drive my scooter, we're going to take some 320 grit sandpaper, and we're going to use that. That actually seems to be working pretty good. Let's try that now. A little bit more still. I'm gonna go do a little bit with some water, wet sand. Okay, I did about another minute of sanding, and I got it to the point where it's I can get it to go through now. So pretty good improvement. I am gonna sand it more so it freely spins and moves, and I think once we start driving the scooter, it will break itself in. I'm gonna go sand a little bit more, and I'll show you guys once I get it to where I want it. Okay, so that's that. Make sure you subscribe, and I'm gonna do an entire video on installing this whole kit, and also all the measurements of everything, the difference between the, I'm gonna do an entire video on the difference between the original transmission and the ZX transmission for the older Honda Dio. Yeah, thanks. Have a good day.